Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we're back with some brass doorknobs that we are going to blast in a glass bead. Commonly we get a lot of questions about doing soft metals like this. Because it's so soft, will this process, ruin these parts? The answer is no. And the reason the answer is no is because the water is actually creating a cushion on the surface of this part. So what's happening is that abrasive is just scrubbing the surface and skidding off. Now with a glass bead, it is round and it's hollow, so it's very low impact, but it's also gonna roll the surface and close the pores on the surface of the part without making the surface rough. So it's gonna make the surface super smooth. We're gonna show you how it works here in this 800 FL, so stay tuned. So we are back with our final product here. So obviously this one here on my right is going to be the blasted piece. And again, I did this with a very fine glass bead. To the left is unblasted. So you can see how smooth this surface is and how new this surface looks. So vapor honing is ideal for softer metals like aluminum, brass, things of that nature. It's gonna do a very good job cleaning those up. You also have the knobs here. Obviously you can see cleaned it right up, looks brand new. If you guys have any questions, please let us know. Our number here is 828-202-5563.